I'm gonna need caffeine for the lies you're telling me. I'm gonna need, oh, I'm not gonna sleep tonight with this imagery in my mind. Why, oh, why do you do this? I wish I could let go. I wish I could be at peace. I wish I knew I was enough so that these lies wouldn't fill my mind, wouldn't fill my mind. Bitter taste, bloodshot eyes, you play me out in sweet disguise. I sip your poison just to stay awake inside this mental cage. The rage inside my mind, a mental cage of what's behind. Maybe I'll learn to break free the moment I sip some caffeine. I'm gonna need caffeine for the lies you're telling me. I'm gonna need all my strength tonight. I'm gonna need caffeine for the lies you're telling me. And maybe one day I'll sleep at night.